Wait, what if you could generate a full construction estimate from a 2D drawing in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you how to use 2D Takeoff with AI in IntoAEC to do exactly that. Let's get started. Once you log in, select your project. To begin, go to the Design and Estimates section and click on 2D Takeoff. Now, click on Add Plan. Give your file a name and upload your drawing. Make sure your file is in PDF format and that the drawing lines are clear and properly hatched. This helps the AI understand your plan accurately. Click on Start Takeoff to load the drawing. You can zoom in or out using your mouse or the controls on the screen. Before anything, you need to set the scale. Click on Set Scale and define a known distance so the system understands the proportions of your drawing. Now comes the interesting part. Click on the AI button on the top right. Within seconds, the AI will scan your drawing, detect rooms, walls, and components, and automatically group them. Now you already have area calculations for each room, without doing anything manually. Next, select any component and click on Add Material. Choose the trade, for example, flooring. You can either pick from predefined assemblies or use Zyra AI to generate materials instantly. Let's try Zyra AI. Type something like granite flooring and click Generate. Just like that, the AI gives you all the required materials along with inputs. Click on Insert to add them. If needed, you can adjust the inputs and then click on Create Material Breakdown. And your quantities are calculated automatically. Now save this as a new assembly. Go back to your room and apply the materials. To verify, click on Preview and Estimate. And you'll see everything neatly added under that section. You can repeat this for multiple areas: flooring, walls, ceilings, all using AI or predefined assemblies. Once done, click on Create Estimate to move everything into the estimate view. And that's how you use IntoAEC's 2D Takeoff with AI. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such powerful AEC workflows. Thanks for watching.